going to take a look at another for loop. We're going to define our vectors in a slightly different way. So for m in, and this is how we've been doing it before, m in, but we've been writing one number, then a colon, then another, and just going up in one. But if we want a more flexible way of making a vector, we might use this C function. And if you haven't seen this before, I'll leave the link to creating vectors in R. And we'll make a vector 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, and 14. Okay, and then we need to do another closed bracket, because make sure you match up your brackets. This bracket here just matches up with the first one after the C, whereas to match up with the other bracket in the for loop, we need another one. Now we open up these sort of curly brackets for what we want to do in our for loop, but we're going to introduce another for loop and take n in C, and then we're going to take 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 23. Okay, and again we need to close that, and now we're going to open up another set of curly brackets. So, and what we're going to do here is just going to do it in this for loop, and we want to set this value s. Set s equal to m plus n. Okay, so it's gonna, but it's, remember, inside this bracket it's just going to be cycling through n, so we're going to have a fixed value of m. So we're going to get 4m in C, open up the bracket, r is going to look at 2, the first value of m, and then it's going to go through this whole loop, so 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 23, and then it's going to come back up. Okay, we just want to add that we're going to print s, and then we'll end that loop, but then we've got to end the top loop here as well. Okay, and you can see we get all these additions, so it's fixed 2, and it's done 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 23 plus 2, then it's done 5 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 23, and so on. I just wanted to give this example just again to show you that you can create your vectors in this way within a for loop, and just the more for loops we do, repeated for loop, nested for loops, sorry, the more comfortable you should get with this topic. If you have anything specific you want me to cover in R that you're struggling with, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't actually downloaded R for yourself, then I always leave the link in these videos to download it for free. I'm not affiliated with R in any way, it just is a free program that you might not be aware that you can download, and it's a very good program, so I encourage you to download that and practice a few of these things for yourself. We're probably going to move on in the next video, but some of our topics will involve using these nested for loops, but we're going to go on to more problem solving aspects as opposed to just arbitrary examples. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. But for now, that's it, and I hope to see you in the next one.